In this video, I will show you how to insert row in Microsoft Excel. So guys, if you need to insert row in any way in your document in worksheet, so just right click on it, insert. So this is the line for row. Right click on any row cell, like you need a row between 1 and 2. So right click on 2, then insert. So as we can see, we have now this new row. Similarly, if you need multiple rows, like you need 5 rows after number 6, so select from 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So basically select 5 rows, right click on it, then just click on insert. So this way you can insert a new rows. Similarly, you can insert the columns, right click on any column and insert. To see properly, like we have A and here B and here C. We need one row between A and B. So right click on G and insert. So we can see we have this row. Similarly, if we need the 5 columns, so select 5, right click on it and insert. So we have a new 5 rows, 5 columns. So this is the column lines and this is the horizontal. You can see these are rows. So this is the way guys to insert rows and column. Another way, here is the option, insert cells, insert sheet rows and sheet columns. Click here. Once you need after 1 and 2 or A and B, you need the one new row. Keep your cursor here and click on insert and row. So this is the way to insert rows in Excel.